Creamy garlic chicken is thinly pounded chicken breasts with a decadent cream sauce. It's my family's favorite. Here's how I make it. Have 6 chicken breasts, then pound to a 1/4 inch thick. Season with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then preheat olive oil in a pan over medium heat and cook the chicken in batches for 3 minutes per side. Add more olive oil as you need it. Place cooked chicken on a brimmed baking sheet, then once all the chicken is cooked, cook 1 large diced onion in the drippings for 10 minutes. Once caramelized, add 5 cloves of minced garlic and cook 2 more minutes. Then add 1 cup of chicken stock plus 2 tablespoons better than bouillon chicken base and cook down for 10 minutes until it gets thick and golden brown. Then add 2.5 to 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon ground thyme. Let thicken for 10 minutes before pouring over your chicken and baking at 375 for 15 minutes.